This is Through the Legal Lens, all right? Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts and Devin Allen. This was a training he gave, all right? And everything in that training, I did already. And the state of Maryland and the state of Illinois stole my intellectual property, all right? It's covered under the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts. So the state of Maryland, state of Illinois, and President Trump, President Biden, y'all got to return my property. Ain't no law against making a movie. The movie was called Letters to Zion, all right? At a Zion Forum Resident Support Anti-Violence Plan. I gave you the Shorty Program, the self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young. Y'all locked me up in Illinois and you locked me up in Maryland for giving you a program to save our lives. I am an attorney and I make art happen, and I do. I'm in the law books. State of Illinois versus Duane Davis, 1986. State of Maryland versus Duane Davis, 2011. I'm a precedent-setting case. I'm a jailhouse lawyer. I ain't a jailhouse snitch. Y'all made me famous for toilets, so I'm building toilets like you build a bear, and I'm doing it for Christmas. And I'm doing this for the school board. Vote no on school closings. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and you made our schools, our black communities the cash crop. You got the school to prison pipeline going on, and y'all ain't saying nothing about that. But I am. The school to prison pipeline. And President Trump get a lot of money off of the prison industry, locking up Hispanics, the immigrants, the deportations, billions and billions of dollars. Monopoly, the Cheaters Edition. Through the Legal Lens. That's my 2022 Entrepreneur of the Year Award. I got an Entrepreneur of the Year Award for selling toilets. And I'm selling toilets. I'm selling the political toilets. It's called Potty Training Politicians. People pay attention to dumbass shit. You can find my toilets at Found Studios. I'm going to be making toilets for everybody that's sitting in the seat, weaving the social fabric for everybody. You feel me? Everybody get a toilet. You feel me? Everybody gets a toilet. Y'all made me famous for toilets. Jobs for justice. Y'all called me a terrorist. I'm an activist. So I'm going to meet up to your expectations. Y'all locked me up for putting a toilet about Scott Schellenberger. Now I'm going to put a toilet about the Democratic Party and everybody in it. And I'm now selling wolf tickets. People pay attention to dumbass shit. Y'all elected this shit. I was kidnapped from my family, and everybody in this picture signed a movie release. Everybody in this picture signed a movie release. So that makes them a witness. Letters to Zion is a movie, a documentary about a black man raising his family. Yeah, a positive black man. Not a drug dealer, not a killer. A barbecue man, a pit master. You tied my past to my present. I'm gonna tie my past to my future. And I'm looking for my freedom. And I'm gonna get it with toilets. Same thing that made you laugh, gonna make you cry. How many toilets will it take before I get my freedom? Activism ain't terrorism. Governor Westmore, I'm a weaver. It's a graduating class. Entrepreneur of the Year. Change your product, don't change your hustle. I'm selling toilets, I'm selling barbecues, and I'm gonna sell this movie. All about mass incarceration in your prison industry. All about leaders of a beautiful struggle. Racism don't work without black cooperation. When I got locked up, didn't nobody say nothing about it. Silence is consent. Remember that. Silence is consent.